Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a plant parent like me, you know how frustrating it can be when your green buddies start looking a little off. Is that yellow leaf a sign of overwatering, or something more sinister? Well, in 2025, we've got the ultimate solution with the best free plant diagnosis app that works seamlessly on both iPhone and Android. Today, I'm excited to break it all down for you. First off, the app we're highlighting is Picture This. It's topped the charts as the go-to tool for plant lovers everywhere. What makes it stand out? It's powered by advanced AI that can identify over 10,000 plant species in seconds. Just snap a photo of your plant, and the app analyzes it for issues like pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Plus, it's completely free to download and use, with no annoying ads interrupting your experience. Let me walk you through how it works. On your iPhone or Android device, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Picture This. Once installed, open the app and grant camera access. Take a clear photo of your plant. Make sure the lighting is good for accurate results. The app then processes the image and gives you a detailed diagnosis, including possible causes and step-by-step care advice. It's like having a botanist in your pocket. One of the best features is the community aspect. You can connect with other users to share tips, or even get expert verification on tricky cases. Of course, while the free version is fantastic, there are premium upgrades for unlimited scans and personalized plant journals, but you don't need to pay to get started. In a world where we're all busy, this app saves time and potentially saves your plants from the trash bin. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, Picture This is a game changer for 2025. So, what are you waiting for? Download it today and give your plants the care they deserve. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your plant woes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.